Hey there! Today we're tackling a problem involving a messy data frame that needs some cleaning up. We have a table with grouped and collapsed IDs that we want to separate into individual rows. Sounds like a fun data wrangling problem, right? Now, let's jump into the solution. We can solve this by using a combination of functions from the tidyr and dplyr packages in R. The code provided performs a series of steps. First, separating the IDs by new line characters, then splitting the data into wider columns based on the colon delimiter to extract the subgroups. After that, the IDs are separated by commas to create individual rows for each ID. Finally, the subgroup column is moved to the desired position. Execute the script, and voila! You'll have your beautifully organized data frame in long format. In summary, we successfully addressed the problem of cleaning up a messy data frame with collapsed IDs by strategically applying a sequence of functions from tidyr in dplyr. By separating, widening, and longing the data column step by step, we were able to transform it into a tidy and structured format. If you have similar data manipulation challenges, don't hesitate to give this approach a try. Remember, a tidy dataset is a happy dataset. Well, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more content like this, and leave a comment with your favorite data wrangling trick. Keep coding and stay curious.